This is the Oppo Find X8 Ultra, a flagship phone that's not just powerful, but borderline outrageous in all the right ways. From a 1-inch main camera, Hasselblad-tuned optics, a massive 100 mAh battery, and even extra buttons you didn't know you needed. This phone pushes the limits. But before we dive in, help us hit 100 subscribers by summer. Just hit that subscribe button below. We're bringing you real tech, real reviews, and zero fluff. Design-wise, this is a tank in a tuxedo. You get a matte frosted glass back that resists fingerprints like magic, and a silver metal frame that feels premium and solid. Everything is symmetrical, well-balanced, and impressively thin at 8.8 millimeters, considering what's inside. Bonus feature? That little dot on the back isn't just decoration, it's a color spectrometer. Yep, for accurate skin tones and color correction in photos, Oppo isn't playing around. The ultrasonic fingerprint reader is stupidly fast. Set it up once and it never fails. And the display? You're looking at a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED, Quad HD+, 2500 nits peak brightness. It's flat, not curved, a relief for accidental touch warriors out there. This phone has not one but two extra buttons. One's a shortcut button, fully customizable, and the other? A touch-sensitive zoom slider. Double tap it to launch the camera instantly, then slide to zoom smoothly between all 4 lenses. Wild. Oppo packed a 6100 mAh silicon carbon battery in here, and it lasts. After a full day of camera use and 4K video recording, we still had 35% left. When it's time to juice up, 100-watt wired charging gets you to full in just 35 minutes, and 50-watt wireless is no slouch either. Running on ColorOS 15 and Android 15, the UI is smooth, snappy, and customizable. The phone supports Google Play services. You'll just need to sideload the Play Store with an APK, and you're good to go. Yes, there's some Chinese bloatware out of the box, but nearly all of it is removable, and once you clean it up, it flies. This beast scores over 2.5 million on Antutu, and the UFS 4.0 storage delivers blazing speeds. 3,600 megabytes per second read 3,400 megabytes per second write. You can go up to 16 GB RAM and 1 terabyte storage. Overkill? Maybe, but we're here for it. Before you import, there are a few things you should know. First, this is a China-only release. There is no global version available. You'll need to check your carrier's 5G and 4G band support to ensure compatibility. And remember, sideloading Google apps is manual, but it's pretty easy. Still, it's one of the best import flagships you can get today. The camera app gives you full manual control, Hasselblad color tuning, RAW support and natural portrait modes using the 3x and 6x periscope zooms. Night mode AI scene detection, even a pro mode for video. It's all here. Video formats? You've got 4K at 3060 and soon 120 frames per second, plus 8K video and even 10-bit log profiles coming in updates. Perfect for mobile videographers. Typing on this phone feels like a ThinkPad. The haptics are ultra crisp. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver full-bodied, surprisingly rich sound. Seeing all these as specs about Find X8 Ultra, I'm honestly impressed. It's bold, powerful, and packed with thoughtful features. Sure, it's not perfect, importing adds a layer of work. But if you're after a premium flagship experience, especially for mobile photography, this might just be the best phone you've never heard of. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, leave a comment, and help us reach our goal of 100 subscriptions by summer. We've got way more content coming your way.